Managing your earnings and settlements. The Settlements page is where you manage your earnings. Let's explore how to track credits, request withdrawals, and configure those all-important payment methods. The header provides quick actions. Request a settlement to withdraw earnings, refresh your balance, and access payment settings. Click Request Settlement when your balance exceeds the minimum threshold. A form will open to specify the amount and payment method. Configure your payment preferences in Settings. You can set up bank transfer with account details or mobile money with your phone number. These 4 cards summarize your financial status at a glance. Let me explain each one. Tuition credits show your available balance from completed tutoring sessions. This is the primary source of your earnings on the platform. AI credits are bonus credits earned through course development activities. These can also be withdrawn or used for platform features. Total withdrawn shows your lifetime earnings that have been paid out. Minimum settlement shows the threshold required before requesting a withdrawal. Let me show you the settlement history where you can track all your withdrawal requests. Each settlement card shows the reference number for tracking, amount requested, payment method selected, and current processing status. Status badges show where each settlement is in the process. Pending means submitted. Processing means being reviewed. Paid means funds sent, and confirmed means you've acknowledged receipt. When you receive a payment, click Confirm Receipt to complete the settlement. If there's an issue with the payment amount or delivery, use the Dispute button instead.